Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Co. And in this video, we are going to show you how to install and configure Git on Ubuntu. These steps will work on all the Ubuntu versions, so you can able to follow and install Git. In this video, we are going to show you two different methods. If first not work, you can able to try for the second one. The very first, we need to update the system packages. To update the system packages, you can able to use this command and enter. We need to updating a package means if you are working with the latest software version, it will get supported. So let's do the installation of Git. After that, to install a Git, we need to use sudo apt space install space git. You can see installation has been started. Make sure that do not skip this video because configuration is also very important part. Now our Git installation has been completed. If the first method not work, you can able to follow this second method. And if it is working, then you can able to skip this video up till here and you can able to directly jump to configuring Git on Ubuntu after installation. Let's start with second method. Before starting installation, first we need to install some dependency. To install the dependency, we can use this command and hit enter. Now, pre-requirement dependencies are installed. Let me clear the screen first, so we will go ahead for the next steps. Before moving further, we need to first go to the temp directory, so we can able to download the Git versions and then from there we can able to install because these files are not required after installation and it might create the issues by overriding the existing configuration. So better to go in the temp directory and start installation. So to go inside the temp directory, we can able to use this command. After that, we need to visit this URL. So link is given in the description. You can able to watch this and we will look for the latest version. So just scroll down. You can see the latest version available is 2.9.5. We have to use this particular file tar.zx. Just right click and copy link. Again, go back to the console, type curl space -o space git.tar.gz. So that will rename the file and enter the current path and hit enter. Now the file has been downloaded from the server. You can see this is the file. Now time for unzip the file. To unzip the file, we can able to use a tar command. Now you can able to see that our tar file has been extracted. So go inside the directory. We can able to use this command. So it will automatically detect the version and go inside the directory. So we are inside the directory. After that, we need to compose the package by running following command and enter this. Once the compilation process complete, now it is time to install a Git. To install a Git, we just need to enter this command. Now our installation of Git completed. Now it is time to check the Git version. So we will make sure that installation has been completed successfully. To check the Git version, we can able to use this command. And we can see the latest version of Git is already installed. Now it is the most important part, that is configuring Git on Ubuntu, that is after installation. So let's begin. Git has some basic files, okay, and in that we need to set username and email ID. To set the username, you can able to use this command. Here you have to replace username with your name. For demonstration, I'm keeping as it is. And second part, set the email ID. So similar case, here you have to enter your email ID and enter. After doing this, now we will verify how it is changed or not. To do this, we can able to use this command and enter. And you can clearly see that our new user and new email ID has been set successfully. After doing all of this, we are finally completed our installation and configuration of Git. And to start with Git, here are some basic commands so you can able to follow and start your Git based project.